Hello, everybody. My name is David Romaka. Uh, I live in San Antonio, Texas. I'm stationed here in the military. I am a critical care nurse at Brooke Army Medical Center. Uh, as far as hobbies go, I like to exercise, hang out with my wife, do normal things, go on hikes, walks, um, travel definitely. Uh, I just mentioned my wife. We are expecting twins in April. We're really excited about that. A little bit nervous, but mostly excited. We have two puppies. We have a French Bulldog and a Labradoodle. The Labradoodle is a new addition to the family, but he's fitting in nicely. I am not a full-time student. I am taking this class because I'm applying to CRNA school. I'm applying to the CRNA school through the military, so this was one of the requirements for the application process, and I'll be submitting the application in the next couple of days. So finishing this course was one of my top priorities, and went well. I just mentioned the CRNA program, so look forward to hearing from anybody else that's still out there. But yeah, I had a good time in the course. Thank you.